video has been sponsored by King Maps, FiveGuard, and JustScripts. Check their website in the description.
Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus development. In this video, we are going to install a Fleeca Bank Redesign MLO into our FiveM Server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is MLO which you are going to install into FiveM Server. I'll put the link in the description below. You just have to click on code and download the MLO. After downloading it, we just have to extract the file into our FiveM resource folder. So I'll be extracting it over here. Just like this. So that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in a server now. Now let's get inside the bank. And over here you can see this is a retextured version which we have installed into our FiveM server. So now this is the new look of the bank over here, as you can see. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to this channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.